Malam ini tenang, cocok buat ronda. Suara apa itu? Ah, kucing. Kamu bikin kaget saja. Pencuri, ronda malam mas, ketemu pentung kayu.
Forged from steel and tooth, the beast of the sky rears its head, dropping its fanged judgment, one furious gift at a time. When the smoke clears, only its shadow remains, gliding.
Check him out, a great white, rocking a fresh pair of kicks and owning the shoreline like it was made for him. Sun's low, waves are pumping, and this ocean athlete is out for a beach run. Look at that stride, smooth.
In the deep rainforest, where the waterfall hushes the air, a curious little wonder appears. Part raccoon, part ripe kiwi, and confidently barefoot, it pads through the